One of my favorite hiking trail in Winnipeg is the one at Birdsell Park, and it's called the Cedar BOG Trails. And today we are going to explore it. Hi guys, so I just got here at Cedar BOG hiking trails. The weather right now is beautiful. There's a bunch of people here. So I'm doing the Cedar BOG self-guiding trail. It's about 3.5 kilometers. It'll take 2 hours. Oh, it's 1.5 hour. Okay. And yeah. So carry out what you carried in. Self-guiding trails. Or this, okay. So take at least 2 hours.
So I've been walking for a while now. I am getting tired, but I think I'm getting close to where I started. And yeah, such a beautiful day today to be outside and enjoying the outdoors. As you can see, I'm out of breath. Yeah, it's a 3.5 kilometers hike. So if you guys haven't been to Cedar BOG here at Birdsell Park, yes, I would encourage you guys to come and try this hiking trail. It's a beautiful day. Right now it's January 1st, 2023. Just the noise of the bird. Okay, so I just made it out and I'm back at the entrance of the hiking trail. I'm so happy. I just did 3.5 kilometers hiking trail here at Birdsell Park. I'm out of breath. Well, thank you for watching. And I'm gonna see you on my next vlog. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.